Good day everyone! Our topic for today's video will be the terminologies and basic concepts of reproductive cyclicity, agenda, estrus cycles, terms, phases of estrus cycle, and menstrual cycle. Estrus cycle. Estrus. E-S-T-R-U-S noun, period of sexual receptivity heat. Estrus, E-S-T-R-O-U-S, adjective, estrus cycle, period between one estrus and the next. Ostrus, O-E-S-T-R-U-S and ostrus, O-E-S-T-R-O-U-S, are the preferred spellings in British and European literature. Estrally, S-T-R-U-A-L, adjective, which means to identify a condition related to estrus, for example, a female in estrua. The suffix o, u, s and us if the word is used as an adjective. It is spelled with o-us, for example, polytrous females have repeated estrus cycles. If the word is used as a noun, it is spelled u-s, for example, the mare is experiencing Anestrus. Estrus ostrus originated from a Greek word meaning gadfly, sting or frenzy, and was originally used to describe a family of parasitic biting insect, Ostridae. Insect of this family causes cattle to stampede with their tails flailing in the air as the insect buzzed around them, which was noted to have the same behavior occurring in mammalian females in estrus. Thus, the term was applied to the period of sexual receptivity in female mammals. After puberty, the female enters a period of reproductive cyclicity that continues throughout most of their life. Estrus cycles consists of a series of predictable reproductive events, beginning at estrus heat and ending at the subsequent estrus. Anestrus, a period when cyclicity stops. Reasons why cyclicity stops: pregnancy, nursing, season of the year in some species, inadequate nutrition, stress due to environmental conditions, and lastly, pathologic conditions of reproductive tract infection. Estrus cycles are important because it provide females opportunity to copulate and become pregnant. Sexual receptivity, an acceptance of sexual intercourse. Copulation, it generally occurs early in the oestrus and takes place prior to ovulation. If pregnancy does not occur, another estrus cycle begins, providing females another opportunity to mate and conceive. If conception occurs, the female enters a period of Anestrus that ends after parturition or giving birth, uterine involution or the acquisition of normal uterine size, and function, and lactation. 3 types of cyclicity. 1. Polyestrus. 2. Seasonally polyestrus. 3. Menstruous. Polyestrus is characterized as having uniform distribution of estrus cycles that occur regularly throughout the entire year. Females can become pregnant throughout the year without the regard to season. Examples: cattle, swine, and rodents. Seasonally polyestrus, unlike polyestrus females. Seasonally estrus females, such as sheep, goats, mares, deer, and elk, displays clusters of estrus cycles that can occur only during certain season of the year. Example: short day and long day breeders. Short day breeder begins to cycle as day length increases autumn or from September to November. Example: ewe, doe, elk, nanny. Long day breeders initiate cyclicity as day length increase in the spring or from April to June. Example: mares. Menstruous. Females are defined as having only one cycle per year. Estrus typically last for several days. Examples: dogs, wolves, foxes, and bears. Domestic canids typically have 3 cycles every 2 years but are generally classified as menstruous. And this is the table showing the differences among the 3 types of cyclicity.
Today we will be discussing the phases of the estrus cycle. The estrus cycle consists of the follicular phase and luteal phase. In follicular phase occurs in a period from the regression of corpora lutea to ovulation. while in luteal phase occurs as the period from ovulation until luteal regression. In follicular phase, it is relatively short, encompassing about 20% of the estrous cycle. The primary ovarian structure are growing dominant follicles that produce the primary reproductive hormone, estradiol. In luteal phase it is much longer than the follicular phase in most mammals, for it occupies about 80% of the estrous cycle. During this phase, the dormant ovarian structures are the corpora lutea and the primary reproductive hormone is progesterone. Or as in basic terms, in follicular phase, the follicles are the dominant ovarian structure and produce estrogen, which is the dominant hormone. As for the luteal phase, the corpora lutea are the dominant ovarian structures and produce progesterone, which is the dominant hormone in this phase. Here shows the figure of the relative hormone concentrations in the blood. Cycle of follicular phase, ovulation and luteal phase. Up next is the 4 stages of estrous cycle. The 2 stages that happen during the follicular phase are the proestrus and the estrus stage. Begins when progesterone declines as a result of luteolysis or the destruction of corpus luteum and terminates at the onset of estrus. It lasts for about 2 to 5 days, depending on the species. It is characterized by a major endocrine transition, from period of progesterone dominance to a period of estrogen dominance. Follicles are recruited for ovulation and female reproductive system prepares for the onset of estrus and mating. The follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone are responsible for this transition. Estrus, on the other hand, is the most recognizable stage, which is characterized by visible behavioral symptoms such as sexual receptivity and mating. Estradiol is the dominant hormone that can cause behavioral alterations and physiologic changes in the reproductive tract. Standing estrus happens gradually as the female is willing to accept the male. It usually displays lordosis, which is a characteristic mating position. Meanwhile, the metastasis and estrus cycle happens during luteal phase, period between ovulation and the formation of functional corpora lutea. Luteinization, cellular transformation of the intravarian gland, corpus luteum, from the newly ovulated follicle. During this period, progesterone secretion can be detected soon after ovulation. Estrus is the longest stage of the estrous cycle, period of time when the corpus luteum is fully functional and progesterone secretion is high. Ends when the corpus luteum is destroyed or luteolysis. High progesterone prompts the uterus to prepare for pregnancy. This cycle lasts about 10 to 14 days in polyestrous females. Duration is related to the length of time that the corpus luteum remains functional. Females do not display sexual receptivity. In summary, the 4 cycles are proestrus, estrus, metastasis and estrus. Proestrus period immediately proceeds to estrus and forms ovulatory follicles and estradiol secretion. Estrus is the period during which female allows copulation. Sexual receptivity and peak of estradiol secretion occurs in estrus cycle. Note that both proestrus and estrus happens during the follicular phase, while the metastasis and estrus happens during the luteal phase. In metastrus, transition from estrogen dominance to progesterone dominance occurs. There is also corpus luteum formation and the beginning of progesterone secretion. In estrus, the period of maximum luteal function. There is also sustained luteal secretion of progesterone in this cycle. In this table also shows the characteristics of domestic animals' estrus cycle, showing also the classification of estrus cycle, whether monoestrus, polyestrus or seasonal polyestrus. The length and duration of the estrus cycle of each animal is also indicated here, and many more. For domestic female animals such as in dogs and cats, the cycle also varies. In the bitch, proestrus, estrus, estrus and Anestrus is its sequence, while in queens it's proestrus, estrus, postestrus, estrus and Anestrus. Anestrus can be caused by stress, presence of offspring, lactation, season and pathology. Anestrus without cyclicity, condition when the female does not exhibit regular estrous cycles. During this period, the ovaries are inactive and neither ovulatory follicles nor functional corpora lutea are present, caused by the insufficient GnRH release from the hypothalamus. True anestrus is caused by insufficient hormonal stimuli while apparent. Anestrus is caused by failure to detect estrus or failure to recognize that the female is pregnant. Seasonal anestrus, preventing females from conceiving during periods of year when survival of the developing embryo and neonate would be low. Thus, the reason why seasonal breeders give birth and nutritional conditions favor lactation and growth of the young following weaning. Example: females that cycle in the fall sheep gives birth during spring, where the environment and nutritional conditions favors the neonates and the mother. Photoperiod controls the transition of seasonal breeders' cyclic state and anestrus state. Silent ovulation, a situation whereby an ovulation is not preceded or accompanied by behavioral estrus. How is photoperiod translated into a physiologic signal? When the retina of the eye is stimulated by light, there is a photoreception that is transmitted by a nerve tract to a specific area in the hypothalamus known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus. From the SN, a second heart nerve tract travels to the superior cervic ganglion, which causes the postganglionic neurons to fire. These neurons synapse with the inhibitory neurons that make contact with cells in the pineal gland pinealocytes, which secretes the hormone melatonin. How is melatonin related to photoperiod? Melatonin stimulates GnRH secretion, thus promotes cyclicity. It is only released during night hours. During the day, the light sensed by retinal cells of the eye activates an excitatory neural pathway at the level of pineal gland, causing inhibitory neurons to be under fire, thus inhibiting the release of melatonin. In contrast, during dark hours, this inhibitory pathway is shut down because the firing of nerves in the light-sensitive areas in the retina is diminished. Therefore, melatonin can be secreted. Basically, light, inhibition of melatonin release. Dark, secretion of melatonin. Melatonin can influence photoperiod. Also, melatonin relays information such as the time of the day or year. This is the reason why we have short day and long day breeders.
The menstrual cycle. The word menstrual is derived from the Latin word meaning month. In historical Latin folklore, the moon was believed to regulate not only the tides of the sea but also the monthly emotional tides of women. Menstrual cycle events that occur between the onset of two successive menstrual periods. In women, the average duration is 28 days, with a range of 24 to 35 days. Menses menstruation sloughing of the endometrium to the exterior. This is quite similar to estrous cycle. It differs from estrous cycle in following ways. There is no defined period of sexual receptivity. There is a period of endometrial sloughing called menses. The timeline for description of the cycle begins and ends with menses, not ovulation or estrus. In menstrual cycle, follicular phase occupies half of the cycle, while in estrous cycle luteal phase occupies 80% of the cycle. Ovulation occurs at day 14 in menstrual cycle, while ovulation occurs at beginning and the end of the cycle in the estrous cycle. In menstrual cycle there is shedding of endometrium and occurrence of bleeding, while in the estrous cycle there is a reabsorption of endometrium if pregnancy does not occur and there is no bleeding. In menstrual cycle, there is no defined period of sexual receptivity, while animals are only sexually active at estrus period. The menstrual cycle occurs in primate mammals, while estrus cycle occurs in non-primate mammals. Menopause in the human female is similar to Anestrus. However, the causes of Anestrus is related to lactation, pregnancy, and such, while menopause is due to the depletion of follicles within the ovary that produces estrogen and progesterone after ovulation. Thus, menopause only occurs in women when their ovarian supply of follicles is depleted. Amenorrhea is the lack of cyclicity in women. Usually occurs in women with high levels of intense training athletes because of reduced energy availability. Lactation amenorrhea is a relatively prolonged period of ovarian inactivity in women. Lactation can be considered a form of contraception where nutrition is a limiting factor. This table sample represents the cycle event comparison between the estrus and menstrual cycle.